let's go guys, and I want to try eat this kakanin in the Philippines. This is a color yellow. I don't know what is this, but so I want to try it. What is the lasa of this food in the Philippines? Oh, the amoy is like caramel. The amoy is like caramel. So what is this? Wow, so very sweet. This palaman is very sweet. This food is like kamuting kahoy. Yeah, yung kamuting kahoy that is just kinuskus that. Just kinuskus that the kamuting kahoy, and the palaman is like caramel. I don't know what is this. This suman? Yeah, suman. Nah, I don't know. It's so good. It's so good. It's so good. I want this. So I buy again this someday or tomorrow day. I want to buy it this. So this is delicious, but that's not special. But it's good, very very good. Yeah, honestly, cute.